I'm just unboxing this 112050 Champion generator. And here's the model number. So this is what it looks like. To take it out of the car, I used the wheelbarrow because I'm basically by myself to get this out. Put it on the wheelbarrow, slide it out of the car on the wheelbarrow, and then slowly put the wheelbarrow down. Then I tipped it over to open the bottom. Got all the steel pieces out and the tape, and then I just moved the box off the whole thing from the top. So here's what it looks like fresh out of the box. Let me turn on the light. So it comes with the keyless start, which was there's a spot for it here. That's where it was. But since I was moving this around, took it off. There's the pull handle. All the control panels here. Battery on, off. There's the start. There's a gauge. There's your 240 connect, which I'll be using. 30 amp. Yeah, I definitely have this one for my house. Breaker. So outlets. Oil. There's no oil in it. It comes with an accessory pack with wheel caps, wheels, oil filler, cover, and the oil itself, 5W30. So that's where the wheels attach. The back of the unit, gas gauge. Got all the stickers there and what it comes with, CO2. I'm charging the battery now. Since it's been unboxed for a while, it's charging up. It's actually full. And here on the back side, what do we got? We got the choke. How does that work? Oh, right here. Choke. And then air filter. You got your crank over there. Fuel shutoff switch. Pretty basic generator, like setup, standard. There's the exhaust. So, and there's a way to retrofit something here, so I can blow that out the side of the house. That's that. So I'll be putting the wheels on and topping off with oil and getting gas in there to start it up. Even comes with a cover. Even though it comes with a cover, I see people using the box, cutting it around the wheels to use it as a cover. So I might be doing that. Just some of the stuff on the box here you can see as electrical start, the gauge there, cold start covered outlets, runtime 10 hours, 74 dB, 9,000 running watts, 1150 starting watts, wireless remote. This side's just in French. And this side's the same thing. It shows you the receptacle, the plug that it comes with, 3-year warranty, support, recommended oil, specifications. 7.7 gallons of fuel. That's nice. My last one came with 5 gallons. It was a small Furman, but it took a long time to get it started, so I didn't like that. Looking for something that will start like my snowblower, first one or two pulls. Here's a reference guide of the common things that you would run in your house, and it has a little chart for you. Running watts 600 for the furnace fan, and a well pump is 1,000. When it starts 2100. so I just have a sub panel, and it should be more than enough. I was running on a 5,000 running watts, and it was fine. So this could probably just do the whole house. Maybe like some of the major stuff would not work, like the oven and stuff, but unfortunately I don't have that. So, but that's it. That's my unboxing of this thing, even though I didn't unbox it on video. You get an idea what's in the box and how you can remove it by yourself. There's the manual. All right, cheers.